Welcome. In front of me is a REDBEAT E3, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So, to get started, you will want to swipe down twice and click on the settings icon right here. Next, scroll down and you'll find storage. Oh, there we go, storage. And in a drop-down menu, you want to select your SD card. Next, click on the three dots in the corner right here and select Format. This will give you a quick message letting you know that formatting will remove all the data that is stored on the card. So obviously if you have anything on it that you would like to preserve, make a copy of it to something like your computer. I don't have anything there, so I'm just going to jump straight to Format right here. It reaffirms that what I just said, that it removes the data. So again, Format. It begins a quick format and only takes a couple seconds. Should be right about done. There we go. So click on Done, and that's it. The card is formatted and ready to be used once again. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.